Hi, I'm Gareth. I am in Spain at the moment, in Canary Islands, and I love trying McDonald's at different kind of places. So today I'm going to try McDonald's from Spain, in Canary Islands. So I have the Mick Extreme. So it looks like there's like bacon pieces actually on there. That's pretty cool. And then it kind of looks like a Big Mac, maybe. It's got onions. And then, oh, bacon on the bottom. And so let's try it. Don't know what it is. Don't even know what the sauce is, but I rate it. It's so good. So next, I got a pulled pork box. Oh, sorry. So they're pulled pork pieces. And then I also got the usual McChicken nuggets, but with a twist. I got some cheddar, what are they called? Yeah, so it's a cheddar dip. So let's try it. So, oh, how nice, yum. Really cheesy, really cheddary, really delicious. And so here's the pulled pork one. Let's open one first. So that's what it looks like inside. So we'll dip it in here. Tastes like pulled pork. Good. Love it. And I also got a buffalo dip. Please don't be spicy. I hate spice. Actually not spicy. I love it. Delicious. Tastes like buffalo. Yeah, buffalo sauce. Kind of like a bit butter. This is last but not least, but I'm a Big Mac person, and I've got to try a Big Mac in every single country I go to. So let's try it. So good. Let's try it like this. Oh, yum. Yum. Anyways, love ya. I also rate that McDonald's a 8 out of 10. Really enjoyed it.